Hey guys, it's your name from Automobile Explained. Today, we're diving into DIY car repairs that can save you money and boost your car knowledge. We'll walk through each repair step by step using basic tools you probably already have. Working on your own car is incredibly rewarding. You'll save money, learn a ton, and feel accomplished when you finish a repair. So let's get started. First up, changing your engine oil. This is a crucial maintenance task that keeps your engine running smoothly and extends its lifespan. By doing it yourself, you can save money and ensure it's done correctly. Gather your supplies: new oil, a new oil filter, a wrench, a drain pan, and gloves. Make sure you have the right type and amount of oil for your vehicle. Check your owner's manual for specifications. Warm up your engine for a few minutes. This helps the oil to flow out more easily when you drain it. Be careful, as the engine and oil can get quite hot. Jack up your car and locate the oil drain plug. Ensure your car is on a flat surface and use jack stands for safety. The drain plug is usually located at the bottom of the engine. Position your drain pan under the plug and, using your wrench, remove the plug, letting the old oil drain out. Be patient and let it drain completely to remove all the old oil. Locate your oil filter and remove it with an oil filter wrench. Be prepared for some oil to spill out when you remove the filter. Lubricate the gasket of the new filter with fresh oil. This helps create a good seal and makes it easier to remove the filter during the next oil change. Spin on the new filter by hand, then tighten with the wrench. Don't over-tighten. Snug is sufficient. Reinstall the drain plug and tighten it securely. Make sure it's not too tight to avoid stripping the threads. Locate your engine's oil fill cap and pour in the recommended amount of new oil. Use a funnel to avoid spills and check the oil level as you go. Check the dipstick regularly to avoid overfilling. The oil level should be between the minimum and maximum marks on the dipstick. Start the engine and let it run for a minute to circulate the oil. This helps to ensure that the new oil is properly distributed throughout the engine. Check for leaks and you're good to go. Regular oil changes are key to maintaining your vehicle's performance and longevity. Happy driving! Next, let's replace your air filters. Locate your air filter housing, usually a black rectangular box near the engine. Open the housing, remove the old filter, and note its position. Insert the new air filter, ensuring it sits snugly. Close the housing and secure the clips or screws. A clean air filter helps your engine perform better and can improve gas mileage. Let's talk spark plugs, essential for igniting your engine's fuel. These small but mighty components play a crucial role in your vehicle's performance. Without them, your engine simply wouldn't start. They create the spark that ignites the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber, powering your car forward. Over time, they wear down, causing misfires and reduced performance. This wear and tear can lead to poor fuel economy, rough idling, and even difficulty starting your engine. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of spark plugs are essential to keep your engine running smoothly. You'll need a spark plug socket, which is specifically designed to fit spark plugs snugly and allow for easy removal and installation. A ratchet, an extension, and a gap gauge. The ratchet and extension help you reach the spark plugs, especially in tight engine bays, while the gap gauge ensures the spark plug gap is set correctly for optimal performance. Locate your spark plugs and remove them with the socket and ratchet. This might require some maneuvering depending on your engine layout. Be patient and take your time to avoid damaging any components. Check the gap on your new spark plugs with the gap gauge. The gap is the distance between the center and ground electrode, and it must be precise for the spark to ignite the fuel-air mixture efficiently. Adjust the gap if necessary, using the gap gauge tool. This step is crucial because an incorrect gap can lead to engine misfires, poor performance, and increased emissions. Then thread the new spark plugs into the engine by hand. This helps prevent cross-threading, which can damage the threads in the engine block. Tighten them to the correct torque specification with the socket and ratchet. Using the proper torque ensures the spark plugs are seated correctly and prevents them from coming loose or being over-tightened. Your engine will thank you for the spark of new life. With new spark plugs, you'll notice smoother acceleration, better fuel efficiency, and overall improved engine performance. And that's it. Good visibility is crucial, so let's replace your windshield wipers. Choose the right wiper blades for your car. Lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. Press the release tab on the old wiper blade and slide it off. Align the new wiper blade with the arm and slide it on until it clicks. Lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat for the other wiper blade. You're good to go! A flat tire can be a bummer, but you can fix it quickly. Park on a safe, level surface. Gather your tools, a spare tire, a lug wrench, and a jack. Locate your car's jack points and position the jack. Raise the car until the tire is off the ground. Loosen the lug nuts, then raise the car higher. Remove the flat tire and set it aside. Lift the spare tire onto the wheel hub, aligning the lug nut holes. A dead battery can leave you stranded, feeling helpless and frustrated. But don't worry, you can handle this situation with a bit of knowledge and the right tools. Replacing a car battery is manageable and can save you time and money. Plus, it gives you the confidence to tackle other car maintenance tasks. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a new battery, which you can purchase from an auto parts store or online. Additionally, have a wrench and some baking soda on hand. Locate your car battery, usually found under the hood. Start by loosening the nut on the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal. Carefully remove the old battery and set it aside. Next, clean the battery tray and terminals using a mixture of baking soda and water. This helps prevent corrosion and ensures a good connection. Place the new battery in the tray, making sure it is seated properly and securely. Connect the positive cable first, followed by the negative cable. Tighten the nuts securely to ensure a stable connection. If your old battery had a vent tube, it's important to check the new battery for one as well. Ensure the new battery has a vent tube to prevent any potential buildup of gases. And there you have it, a successfully replaced car battery. Brakes are crucial for safety, so let's replace your brake pads. Gather your supplies, new brake pads, a C-clamp, a lug wrench, and a jack. Loosen the lug nuts on the wheel. Jack up the car and secure it on jack stands. Remove the lug nuts and the wheel. Compress the caliper piston with a C-clamp. Remove the caliper pins or bolts. Be careful not to disconnect the brake line. Headlights and taillights are crucial for visibility. Replacing a burnt-out bulb is a quick fix. Locate the back of the light assembly. Remove access panels or covers. Locate the burnt-out bulb and unplug the wiring harness. Remove the bulb from the assembly. Insert the new bulb, ensuring it's properly seated. Reconnect the wiring harness. Test the new bulb by turning on your lights. Ensure it's working correctly. Fuses protect your car's electrical system from overloads. Replacing a blown fuse is simple. Identify the blown fuse using your car's manual. Locate the fuse box. Open the fuse box cover. Use a fuse puller or needle nose pliers to remove the fuse. Inspect the fuse for a broken or melted wire. Replace it with a new fuse of the same amperage. Close the fuse box cover. Test the circuit to ensure it's working. Don't forget about the cabin air filter. It cleans the air entering your car's cabin. Locate the cabin air filter, usually behind the glove compartment. Remove screws or clips to access the housing. Replace the old filter with a new one, noting the direction of airflow. Close the housing and secure it. You did it! Now go tackle those repairs. Taking care of your car doesn't have to be intimidating or expensive. With patience, the right tools, and a can-do attitude, you can save money and gain valuable skills. Working on your car gives you a deeper understanding of how it operates. Until next time, happy wrenching!